Today we are talking about this weather thing. So we have Thursday's outlook. We got a wind. It's still saying extending all to Cleveland, but Pittsburgh area is included. So we got to watch this area tomorrow. So this is exact Thursday. So we could see an enhanced risk added in here. All right. So Wednesday is what we're worrying about. So we got all modes of severe weather expected tomorrow. So we're gonna watch tomorrow for the severe weather event. Let's go to cloud weather models because we're gonna go for this region. We're going into the Texas region for now. We're gonna go in here. This is where we're going to go. We're gonna have to watch tomorrow for this storm threat. So when the models get into tomorrow, we're gonna watch this threat tomorrow. So that's a storm system. So we're gonna have an update tomorrow, but we're gonna watch this area. So we're gonna check out the GFS on this point. So it does extend a lot out. So we're gonna see what Wednesday. This is Tuesday. That's today. Wait, that's Wednesday. That's at Maltex line. It's gonna be March already? Oh my gosh.
Get maple coffee.
Caramel.
Caramel, I thought it was maple or caramel.
Oh yeah. That looks concerning. We got some tornado composite over here. Supercell composite. Got some up here. Could be very well concerning. Let's check out the. Let's go to the NamUs. This is the Supercell composite. Looks a lot worse. That's Thursday. Oh yeah, Thursday looks pretty bad too. That's pretty significant. Let's check out the significant tornado parameters.
Sit down here, babe.
Pretty high.
Huh?
Pretty high, guys.
No, I'll set it on the couch.
It's going to build. Let's see what Wednesday is in store. That's pretty significant. Let's check out the most unstable cape. We got a... Wow! What? That's a lot. That's a lot of cape for Texas. It's, like I said.
Next time you want to watch that movie, you tell me, because I'll go upstairs. I do not like that movie. That movie's got a lot of cussing in. You should do. That's stupid.
Yeah, that's what we are watching out for.
Yeah, but QT wasn't. I know it's cut.
Oh my gosh.
What, Greg?
That's pretty significant. We got 4.2. It's showing some pretty significant parameters. Yep, some to watch out for. So Thursday could be more concerning than yeah, it's starting to build up again. Interesting, huh? It's starting to build up again. So, all right, that's the first area we're going to. Next, we're gonna go to a new sector. We're gonna select this sector because we're gonna watch here as well. So we're gonna go back. That's Tuesday. All right, we're gonna check out the mean layer cape, and we're gonna check Thursday for this matter. Okay. All right, there goes Thursday. So we got some good cape up here. We got pretty good cape. Got some higher cape down here where the more concerning areas, but it could fall apart. As soon as it reaches PA, it's going to fall apart. So we might get anything. So I'm happy. But if we got some happening in town. Yep, could have some severe weather here in PA. Who knows? But this is out in Ohio, guys. We got a good amount. But down south is where I'm seeing the highest tornadoes. Lid strength index, dude, 85. All right. Surface-based cape. Let's check. Most unstable cape and shear. We got plenty. We got some cape around. Got a little bit there. That's Friday morning. So let's check out the precipitation. Convective precipitation. Yeah, we're gonna have a line of thunderstorms coming through in the morning. So I don't know. Precipitable water. Yeah, it could be heavy rain that comes through with these storms. All right. 1 to 3.
I was hoping maybe if you had time later, you'd let your old man take you out for some dinner.
Wow. That's a lot of rain.
You want him dead, you're gonna have to get in line.
Very dry air comes in right behind it. Wow, it's showing it could get. Oh my gosh, it could. I'm happy about this. It's gonna get real warm on the 28th. That's great. This is good news, guys. Something's telling me that this winter is over.
Don't make me do this.
Or not. Wait, it got cold. Wait, is that cold air? Oh my God. Yeah, good. All right, guys, that's where it's showing. But this is the area of concern. So we gotta watch this area for an enhanced risk at, okay? That's what I'm thinking, right in here.
Oh, really?
So that's what we're watching for. Let's check out the Storm Prediction Center models. And this is the storm causing severe weather around Thursday. Could get some thunderstorms. Yeah, we're probably going to end up getting some storms, so. And I'm going to see if there's anything interesting that comes up on the models. Maybe, guys. Maybe we're going to get some snow, finally. But it's March, guys. We're going to see some cold weather, finally. Yeah, look at that, guys. See, we're finally going to have winter, huh? In March. I'm not surprised either.
Okay, fine. Until we figure this out, you're staying with me.
What kind of warm air? Look at that warm air. See, it tries to get to the north, but it fails.
Got you in this situation in the first place, Bigford. You know, Riley.
Because of right now, it don't fail for the northeast.
Up and down. I don't know, man. I don't see it, man. You don't have to show me.
So that's what we are seeing for day 1. This is the areas that we gotta. If you're in these areas, your concern is a 5% risk. So if you're in Jackson, Mississippi, Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock. What, Tennessee's in this? My God, Tennessee's in it for 2 days? What the hell? Yeah, I know, that's crazy, guys. Tennessee is in 2 days. Memphis, Tennessee's in a slight risk and a marginal. So they're going to get it 2 days in a row. So I've got to watch 2 days. Got to watch them both days, Wednesday and Thursday. So But I see this expanding a little bit to the east, a little bit. Not too much to the east, but a little bit, so. That's what I'm trying to say. See, that's what I'm trying to say, guys. That's a very big risk, okay? That's a really big slight risk. So now we got 31 million people in the slight risk. Now we got 31 million. That was 30. So, interesting stuff for you guys. Very interesting.